The launch of the Pontyberem dementia-friendly supportive community today is the first community that is to be known as a dementia-friendly community, and a lot of work has gone into making the day possible. We have people here from the Alzheimer Society, Age Cymru, all the voluntary sector, the Health Board, and people from the community are able to drop in and get some information.
Well, John Williams ydw I, mi'n gynghorydd lleol I Pontyberem a Pembrokeshire, ac oedd hi'n swper o falch bod cynllun peilot yma wedi ei leoli yma yn Gwendraeth a gyda ni o fewn cymuned Pontyberem.
Mae'n hynod o bwysig bod digwyddiad Dementia Care yn digwydd fan hyn yn Pontyberem. Mwyn codi ymwybyddiaeth am dementia yn gymunedol, mae bobl o bob oed yn gallu dioddef gyda dementia, ac felly mae codi ymwybyddiaeth cymuned gyfan yn hollol bwysig ar gyfer hwn.
To me, the project for the Dementia Supportive and Friendly Community Pontyberem is all about really helping people understand a bit more about dementia and the effect it has on people who have a diagnosis of dementia and their carers, and how important it is for them to maintain their social networks and be part of the community and supported by them.
What we want to try to do is look at initiatives that we can introduce into the communities to make people more aware of dementia, so they're more likely to go to see their GP if they have a problem, and that way then we can get the referrals into our memory clinics that we run in primary care to ensure that people have a timely diagnosis of dementia and receive the appropriate support that they need.
As part of the initiative, we're going to be looking at the prevention of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Part of that programme is the development of a campaign called PANDAS, where we'll be looking at physical activity, diet, networks, smoking and alcohol, and early diagnosis as part of a risk awareness campaign. Part of that education programme will be working with a local school in Pontyberem, where we'll be looking at those agendas to raise awareness with the children, the staff and their wider families.
Pontyberem project is something that we've been looking at in quite detail. It's got many facets really to it. One of the first things is to increase the number of people that go to the GP worried about their memory and are actually referred on to the memory clinic. We're also trying to get the views of people with dementia and their carers so that we can improve services and the village really for people with dementia and their carers. Another aspect is that we're doing an environmental assessment. We've got many people in the multi-agency group who are undertaking the environmental assessment, looking at how dementia-friendly is the village. All in all, these aspects of the project will come together, and we will do a report to the Carmarthenshire Action Board and demonstrate really how it can be rolled out throughout Carmarthenshire.
More and more people are getting a diagnosis of dementia and need support, need a network of support and help. And that's not just the person with dementia, but the family units, the friends, and even the professional units that are in place to look after them. All of those bodies need support, and we need to invest time and energy and, wherever possible, finances to make sure that we do address this issue head-on and passionately and sensitively.
All the businesses, the schools, the churches, the chapels, the public houses, the chemist, the post office, schools, and the surgery, of course, which is perhaps the most critical. Everybody has joined in to make this a successful event and a successful community. And we hope that in the long term, what we learn from Pontyberem's experience will be able to roll out across Carmarthenshire.
Mae hwn yn bwysig iawn y pnawn hyn, oedd dyn awyr pryd bydd hwn yn effeithio unrhyw un o ni. A pnawn mae wedi dysgu lot am dipyn o bob peth yma. Da iawn i chi am ddod â fe i Pontyberem.